Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have ammonia. You have to find what is the hybridization and what is the shape of it. To find the hybridization, you have to know the steric number, which is V plus B minus C whole divided by 2. Here nitrogen valency V is 5, bonded atom is 3. If you substitute, you have 4. 4 means tetrahedral. You have to find any lone pair is there or not. Here if you substitute H minus V, you have one lone pair. So tetrahedral one lone pair leads to the pyramidal geometry. You can find easily in the 3D structure. So H4B1 means pyramidal. Here geometry is tetrahedral, shape is pyramidal because we don't count the electron because it is small. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.